Okay, so question 7. So we've been told the probability of them enjoying exercise is 2/5. The probability that they eat breakfast is 2/3. And this conditional probability is found by having a quick examine of the words. So when questioned about their eating habits, of those who always eat breakfast, so given that they eat breakfast, 9/25 also took regular exercise. So probability of exercise given that they eat breakfast is 9/25. And part A of the question asked me for the probability that someone eats breakfast and takes exercise, in other words, the intersection. Now, our conditional probability law says that conditional probability is equal to the intersection of the two sets divided by the given. So if I rearrange that, I've got the intersection. So the probability of E intersection B is the conditional multiplied by B. So I've got 9/25 multiplied by 2/3, which is 6/25. Part B, let's have a look at that. Does not always eat breakfast and does not take regular exercise. So basically we've got the not situation. Does not eat breakfast, does not take exercise. Now we did this one previously in this homework, but let's have a look at it again. If we've got those two sets, B and then E, not B is anything not in B, so that's anything outside circle B. Not E is anything outside E, so anything outside circle E. So the intersection of the two is where I've got the two colours, which is obviously the outside piece. In other words, 1 minus the union. So if I can work out the union, then I can work out 1 minus the union. So I got my union by my addition law. That's equal to the probability of B plus the probability of E. Take away the intersection. The probability of B is 2/3. Probability of E, 2/5. Take away the intersection. I've just found out that was 6/25. So the probability of B union E is equal to 62 over 75. So when I want to work out the probability of B not intersection E not, I've got 1 minus 62 over 75. 13 over 75. So 7 part C, we're trying to find out whether eating breakfast and taking exercise are statistically independent. So in other words, whether eating breakfast and taking exercise is the same as the product of them. So that's the law of conditional probability. So if that's true, they're independent. If it's not true, they're not independent. So let's work it out. The intersection of B and E we already worked out to be 6/25. Probability of B times the probability of E is 2/3 times 2/5, which is 4/15. As 4/15 does not equal 6/25, then B and E are not statistically independent.